Hi, my name's Brian Knight and I live near Melbourne in Australia, and it's just after 5 o'clock in the morning on a Friday here. A little bit of time before non-phone pie roll. Welcome, Darren. Are you out on the road on the way home or something? Whatever. That's okay. Let me just share this to start with. All right. So, welcome to this live FOREX analysis session. Just noting any trades discussed in this group to be classed as educational only. That's because we're a group of people help each other and we are not financial advisors. So, um, please only take trades that you're happy to take based on your own analysis. And there's a full risk disclosure bit about us as live session traders. Okay. Yeah. How are you, Darren?
Okay, Brian,
Yeah,
you?
not too bad. You're in the car. I think
I
I've
am, yeah.
worked. I think I've worked out why Euro stable hadn't taken any trades all week.
All right, yeah.
There's this indicator, ES something or other, which I didn't see or didn't place in the thing. So
Right, okay.
I've I've now put that on the chart, and we'll see what happens. Probably
Yeah,
because yeah. Anyway,
yeah, yeah.
Infinity has profited out for the week um, on
Yeah,
on
yeah,
GBP
he did.
USD for us,
He did, yeah, he did.
and oh God, the other one USD CAD in FX
Eternals.
Eternals, yeah,
Yeah,
that profited out as well.
yeah, he did, yeah. Yeah, same here. So, yeah, that's good.
Yeah, it is good. Yeah, it was good to watch. Affinity got into about 4 or 5 trades, I think.
Yeah,
Because I only started at the start of this week. It got into about 5 trades, and then there was one loss and a few profits, so it profited out above that loss.
yeah,
And the other Eternals on UCAD only had one trade, I think, and then it just profited
yeah,
that one trade out. So
yeah, same here. Yeah, yeah,
very interesting. Okay, no worries. Good. We'll just see what if I can get the Euro stable to work now.
yeah.
Well, probably
Right,
not
yeah,
a good idea that I fixed it up now because we got non-farm payroll.
yeah, yeah.
But anyway, maybe I should just turn it off for the minute and then
Well, I might do that when I get home. Have a look if any of them not in any trades or trades around break even or something. Not any dollar pairs. I might just turn the EAs off, close any trades. I may just do
mm,
that. Yeah,
mm.
and then start
Well, the
again.
Euro stable has got that. It turns it off because of the news. So
It
maybe
has actually, yeah, yeah,
I might just leave it going and see what happens.
yeah. See how we
Anyway,
deal with that. Yeah,
yeah, it's no, and the other two will, they'll do whatever they do, so that's fine. Again, got to trust them a bit. Right, okay, let's get on to pairs. I'm going to try and whip through them as quick as I can, and because I want to sort of get away
yeah,
early. I got the whole day. I got to get going. Okay, so you're obviously in the car or something. So
yeah.
all right, no worries. Right, AUD CAD. Here we go. Now this was something
Yeah.
that this was something that Tom had we talked about at length yesterday. He's not here today, so at the moment uh, he might be later. Sorry, Darren, are you breaking up? Is there something you want to say?
No, no,
No?
no. Just breaking up a
Okay.
minute, but no, no, fine. Carry on.
Okay, no worries at all. Okay, AED CAD. So it's still sitting between these the fib stuff. It hasn't broken there. I mean, we're getting at the end of the thing. We'll just see how that travels. That's all right. This is pretty good. We can just change it as we need to, and yeah, um, yeah, no worries at all. Okay,
Yeah,
AED CHF. Again, another fib setup. This is it's just sort of knuckled up here to potentially go up. See, AUD JPY. I'm not in any of these trades at the moment because This one really, I got to wait till it comes down to this 25. We'll see what happens. Pull back, and then maybe we've got to wait for that. ADNZD. It has pulled back. Is it enough, Darren? No,
It's
probably.
not. It's not. I mean, the drawdown has been. It's reduced by about half the drawdown.
Wow.
Yeah. No, I mean, it's not really that big a pullback, and yeah, so the drawdown is literally reduced by half. So
Well,
another bit of a push like that one could
yeah,
hopefully
which is not that
back.
big, Darren. It
No?
looks like that is what it wants to do from
Yeah,
the indicator perspective, but we'll see.
yeah,
You don't know where it's got to get back to, what sort of price to profit out, because I think you said that it hides the TP or something.
it does, it
Yeah,
does. But
okay, okay.
yeah, I can probably estimate it now, having seen the drawdown reduce. But yeah,
No, that's okay. That's okay. Well,
yeah,
it does look like it's pulling back at the moment, and um, yeah, no, it's looking, it might be good for you on that one. We'll just see how we go. All right.
yeah. Fingers crossed.
There's a lot of things crossed. Okay.
Yeah,
AUD Singapore, that also is coming off. Looks like the Aussie dollar is weakening off against lots of things, which is good. AUD USD, right. We're in that sort of market open. It looks like, though, the Aussie against the US dollar, though. Just see. Yeah, non-farm payroll coming up. Anyway, um, it's in that sort of middle range. If you haven't sort of got it coming out of here, it's probably not the best time to grab it there. But it's very interesting this way that Tom sort of like has yesterday with some changes on it. I quite like it. Quite like it. Okay. So yeah, it might buy further, it might not. We've just got to see what goes on with it. CAD CHF, because I only just set it up yesterday. I'm still trying to work out where things are at with it. So it hasn't gone down past. See, if it went down further, I'd move that um, fib down further. But
yeah,
see where it's at. It could just push back up again here and um, go from there. Okay, CAD J. Well, that has pushed down a bit further. So we just move that down there. That's good. Um, it may just do a pullback to then drop off again. It's slightly above, it's slightly 0.4 of a pip above where the last candle got completed. So you can just see.
yeah,
CHF JPY. So we're getting to that sort of like where things start to slow down a bit. Non-farm payroll might just kick things around a bit at the end of the week, but
yeah,
it doesn't sort of seem like there's really any action. In 24 hours, there's no more bricks being created in most of these pairs. So it's like it
yeah,
just it's gone all sluggish on us.
yeah,
Yeah. So, all right, Euro AUD. That again, that's in the middle. Oh, created in the middle here. It's created a gold indicator and then pushed back up again. Again, it hasn't really moved very much at all. Okay, Euro CAD. Okay, that is up here, but it hasn't really gone anywhere as such. It wicked down and then came back up again. Yeah, we'll see if it creates another brick up, and then we'll look at that, change that. Once it gets a gold indicator, then we'll look at where that is from that fib perspective. Okay, Euro CHF. Yeah, that's just sort of playing around. Euro GBP. I think that was one yesterday we were going like, oh yeah, okay. Now, it has pushed back up. So it created this, came back. We'll just see if it comes up past the 25. If it doesn't break the high, then we're going to go back into the sell. So that might be a next week trade on that one. Euro JPY. Wow. Okay. Wednesday. Thursday. Yeah, we'll see. It hasn't moved past that point. There's still Wednesday candles from a UK perspective, and it's like, well, nothing else has happened with it. Okay. Euro NZD maybe. Right. Here we go. So we're at the 25. This is a trade potentially to get into. It could just come down to here and then push itself back up again. But it looks like it wants to push further down. With, the indicators, we've got this open close here. There's it's come up here, given us the guides, pushing back down. It's come out from a, the triangle up top. Doesn't mean it'll come back, but any example, this sort of thing, it'll push down, then push back up again. So push down, push back up again. So if we get into the sell on that, it might be, well, there'll be some anyway out of it. Euro Singapore. Yeah, just playing around that. Euro USD. This is an interesting one. Okay. They came out of 25 open and pushed up. That's only Tuesday, so there's really not been a lot of action there either. Not a lot of movement. Okay. GBPs. So GA. GA. Oh, pull it down just that little bit. It's created that wick anyway. That would have been one to get into the buy, back up to here and then into the sell. All right. That's something to contemplate. Again, what's that one? That's Wednesday. Okay. So really hasn't done any Thursday work at all. GCAD. Well, that's the Wednesday. That's down here. Okay. Oh, yeah, no, that's that one. Yeah, you got me to put it down there. We'll see if it breaks up the high or not. It looks like it's pulling back. But anyway, you'll have to give us a gold indicator if that's what it's doing. All right, GBP CHF. Oh, okay. Selling. Okay. They're all, when the fibs are tight, it's not great opportunities. The fibs need to be fit like this sort of thing. Oh, that's gone. That's moved. Euro GBP JPY has. Right. It's down here. We've moved 2 bricks since yesterday. That one has actually moved a considerable amount, like a number of pips to, yeah, okay. That would have been a good trade to get into from up here. Bang, 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 bang. That's quite a, what would that have been? 240 pips. Okay. Wow. Monday down to Thursday. Okay. That's interesting. That's probably at the moment the biggest mover. GBP NZD, not really gone anywhere, but that's, yeah, that could have been trade out of there from the 25 down. Okay. No. GBP Singapore, just playing around in the middle there. GU, yeah, that was that good. It just pushed up and then pushed back down again. It was like, yay. Probably a good one to get into for the sell now. Okay. I'd go, they were in buy, and it pushed back up here, and that's where it profited somewhere here, and then it's pushed back down again. Okay. Lovely. So potentially it's come out of 75. That could be a good trade to have at the moment as well. There are NZDs. I'm going pretty good here. NCAD. Oh, wow. That one's also good. That would have been a good trade. I think Tom was in that. But that, yeah, for the buy on that. It could turn and then push back down again. But yeah, we'll see. NZDCHF. That's also pushing back up, and that's come 25. That's time to get into that trade. Maybe that turns blue. NZDJPY. Looks like it's going to be pulled back on that one, but it's nowhere near. Anyway, okay. NU. Definitely buying back up again now. So it looks like the New Zealand dollar's getting a bit of strength, Darren. I think that's more of what it is rather than the AUD. When
Yeah,
AUD NZD. I think the New
yeah,
Zealand dollar's found some strength from somewhere. That's
yeah,
good.
yeah.
All right, Singapore Japanese yen. All right, move that down. That's actually the Japanese yen is obviously weakened off. Everything is sort of like that. GJ is pushed hard down. Oh, sorry. That means the Japanese yen would have strengthened. Yeah. Okay. UCAD. Yeah, it just did that little pullback and it's pushed back up higher. Go up there. So we're just going to wait for where we get a gold and then into some sort of a sell on it. USD CHF. That hasn't really gone anywhere. No. UJ, so that should have moved. Yep. Oh, pushing back up just there. Okay. Well, let's see what happens with the
Wall Street recovery.
yeah, yeah.
EA has just finally opened its first trade on
And,
UJ.
and
I think it was just
a
I don't
buy
know
or
very
a
far
buy or
along.
sell.
Do you know what? I can't remember now.
No, that's okay. No worries.
Yeah,
Yeah, no, that's good. Okay, no worries.
so it sprung into life anyway for the first time. So
Well, hopefully with Euro stable now, it will spring into life sometime too. That's
yeah,
good. I'll consider some more maybe this weekend or next week or something. Just slowly build up the stable, the
yeah,
stable
yeah.
of EAs. We just yeah. Anyway, USD Singapore. That also too probably would be a good one to get into for the sell. Coming out of the 25, pushing down. We've got a change in color, looking good. It looks like it's pushing back up, but look, it's the end of the week. I wouldn't be getting into a trade now. Looks I'm already in. Look at gold. Still sitting around the top there, but it's like at 3858. It is trying to make that four. It's it's
Yeah.
it's just up here. It's just hesitating. I think it's going to pull back before it push up, but like maybe not very much. It might just bunch around. And silver, the same sort of. It's pulled back just a little bit. Okay, but still not dropping or doing anything dramatic. And so Bitcoin's gone to 120. Whoa, yes, maybe it's like gold. All right, okay. Mm. Up, pull back, and then yeah. All right, let's move this up to here now. That's moved considerably. Yeah, a lot of movement in the last day, 24 hours. Okay, and then we just look at oil. Oh, it's dropped off to 60. Wow, yeah. Okay, 60.5, potentially go a bit further. Ah, things changed here, so there. That's the potential. So might come up to that open. That's interesting. Okay. We don't have any EAs on oil anyway, Darren. So there
No,
might be some that
not
trades.
seen an EA for oil yet. Oh, you're right.
Anyway, there they are. That's all of them. We right? We okay?
Yep.
So I'll be back on the buses next week. The schools are back and I'm back. So
Yep.
I'll see you on your Sunday evening, my Monday morning, and we'll give it a bit of a go then.
Yeah. Absolutely.
And we'll
That's it.
update if Euro stable. That's it. Is Euro stable still in trades? Do you know, Darren? Yours?
Um, I
You
had
can't
some
remember.
winning trades the other day. I don't think it's done anything today, but
Thought you
it,
said yesterday it had jumped into a few trades, but
yeah, I think they closed. They all closed off. So it's
oh, okay.
about 0.5%
Oh,
up on Euro stable. So it's a nice little start. So
yeah, lovely. If I had have had that indicator in, maybe I could. Anyway, we'll just
yeah,
that's just the way things run.
yeah,
All
yeah.
right, no
Okay.
worries. All right then, you safe travels. I'll see
Thank you.
you hopefully Sunday. Have a good weekend.